guys, so today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your makeup brushes. All you need is some dish soap and some olive oil and a sponge, and you can just get that at the dollar store. The dish soap will really get out all the dirt, all the bacteria that gets built onto our brushes when we leave them unattended with makeup already on them, which is disgusting. So you'll get something that looks like this. Dip it into the and I'm going to massage it into the rough side of the sponge. Look at that. Look at it. It's so nasty. Be sure not to wash the middle part of your brush because it will get loose and it'll fall off. This is a big foundation brush, so it's got lots of bristles. You really want to wash all of them. And see how there's not really that much coming out? This is my second time doing it, and there's really nothing. I don't really see anything. Foundation brushes, if you feel like you use it more or if it's a little bit softer, you want to use the softer side of the brush because it won't damage your brush, and you want to be careful not to damage your brush, obviously.